Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to deposit TRC20 in the exclusive markers broker. At the top section, you click on the deposit function. In this section, you select your desired account, confirm the desired network, which we chose cryptocurrency, and click on Proceed to Deposit. You click on Open Terminal. In this section, you select the desired exchange where you can choose between the categories of crypto or Binance Pay. In this section, if you wish, you can change your email address and other information. In this section, you select the desired currency. Additionally, the amount for deposit, which you should pay attention to. The deposit is $50. And finally, after entering the information, you click on Deposit. In the next section, you select the desired clip, for which we chose USDT TRC20, and click on Proceed. If you wish, you can change the desired amount in this section. Also, if you wish, you can manually enter the desired address into your wallet. And the barcode. You scan the specified one with your wallet and continue these steps with the wallet. Then, to check your transactions, we enter My Wallet, click on Transaction History, and in this section, you can see that the deposit was successfully completed. Good luck.